Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today I will do some more TA on also Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Link as well, and RSR. Sit tight and let's get to work. Here we see the S&P 500. They made a break of this resistance and now they made a higher high. The question is, will they go for a new all-time high or will they retest the all-time high? I don't think so. The 4-hour looks like a classical doji, a reversal doji. So I think they will come down, and the question is, will they make a retest on this support line or will they break down through it, and was this all a fake out? For sure, I think they will go for a retest of that one, and what I expect is they will also slide through this one, and this was just a stop run, stopping people out. Of course, there's a lot of money being printed, so they could even go for the all-time high. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So today we had a nice breakout. We broke this line with some volume, not a lot yet. The day isn't over. Let's go to the 4-hour. There was some volume, but still not very high, but the volume is getting there. And for Bitcoin, the next resistances will be this one, making a higher high. After that, we want to see this one, and finally this one. What the bears want to see, they want to see the price break under this level again, around 250, 220. So that is about it. Like, it's very short, and this is less support. I am still short, and I'm still targeting 7.5k. I mean, I could be wrong very much, but for now I am not cutting my short still. I am cutting my short maybe at 9.6k. There I will think about cutting it, but for now I'm still confident in my short. So this is where we are standing. Next up for Bitcoin, it's around 9.5k, important level. That's also this level, and as you can see, it played a role over here and over here. So yeah, that's about it for Bitcoin. I'm still targeting 7.5k. People might be getting a bit too bullish at the moment, also for the SPX, but gold is going up hard today, and also silver is going up, and yeah, like SPX broke out as well. So yeah, for me it's still a short, but yeah, it is looking bullish at this moment. We still have to see if it can make higher highs. Taking a look at Ethereum on the daily, Ethereum still needs to break 250. Of course, on a lower time frame you could see some other things. They broke, for example, this line and might break under it now, but this is on the hourly. I like to draw lines. I always draw lines. So yeah, and also they broke this line, as you can see. It's a bit of hindsight trading, this one, but yeah, that's basically how I trade trend lines, and I like to trade them on higher time frames. Taking a look at Ethereum BTC, nothing really happening on the daily. A bullish engulfing, but what we really want to see for Ethereum is breaking this high and breaking this one, and then it is really party time for Ethereum. 2-year trend line over here, very important trend line. We are above it, but the only thing we want to see is higher time frames. Volume is kind of okay over here. Taking a look at XRP, sorry guys. What do we see? Do we see something like this? Oh yeah, we do. Do we see something else? Yes, we see this one. And is that it, or do we see something more? Well, for XRP, obviously, we want this one to break. I'm not a big fan of XRP myself, but I will do some TA for you guys. Important level as well, this one. So yeah, that's up for XRP. Of course, they did break this one earlier. Is it this one? No, I like this one more. They broke this one. So yeah, they want to break this trend line, and after that maybe this one. Those are the lines I would look at if I were trading XRP. Right now, it's not really a buy yet. You want to be over here to make it a buy for me. I'm not looking at the BTC ratio, just the USD ratios. Link. Link, what do we see over here? We see this one, and yeah, it bounced nicely on this one. What else do we see? Yeah, we see price discovery. It's new territory. Could maybe come back for this one. Yeah, maybe a retest of this one. I mean, I wouldn't. This is not a time for buying. If you're already in, you could hold it, I think. But yeah, maybe a retest of this one you could buy. For now, I wouldn't buy it yet. If you're in a position, you could maybe hold it. I don't know what your entry is, but as long as it's above this one, you can keep it. And as long as it's above this line, you can keep it. Break of this one, I think I would exit. I'm not in it. I'm not trading it on a daily, but this is how the chart looks. I like to look at the higher time frames. RSR, somebody asked me a question about it yesterday, and this is what I came up with. It went up so crazy fast. So crazy fast. I mean, you don't see these things every day. I think it could easily come back to here if you see how fast it went up. I don't know much about the fundamentals of it. So yeah, but the chart looks, yeah, it went up real quick, real hard, and I'm not sure what the real value of something like this is. They did break this line, so that could be bearish. I love this line. So yeah, that's about it. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do as well, make sure you use one of these sign up links and make sure you follow me on YouTube. That way you help my YouTube channel, and with signing up with these ref links you get some discounts yourself, up to 25% on some of the links, on the fees you pay. So yeah, that's what I pay a lot of attention to, paying minimal fees, because that's a waste of money. So guys, if you like what you see, please give a comment, let me know what you think, and see you guys tomorrow.